Alright, by now some of you may have noticed that the Google Docs Cloud assignment has disappeared from Canvas, and all that's left now is the Google Drive LTI 1.3. That is the new generation of Google tool to use inside Canvas. This is a tool that was built specifically by Google for Canvas rather than a Google plugin made by Canvas. And so you'll notice the difference when you go into that assignment and create. You'll notice it looks a lot like Google Classroom, if you've ever seen that or ever worked with that. And so some of you might find that familiar. So we're going to go ahead and go in and show you how to build an assignment. So we're going to click on Modules, and we're going to add that assignment from our module top, and we're going to put we're going to add a new assignment. Then we're going to hit Add Item. And you'll see that's added right to the bottom. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to go in and hit Edit. And one of the first things you should know is that you do have to fill out the information on this particular page. You want to add how many points it is. You're going to come down and you're going to add who it's assigned to and the due date. And make sure you do put the due date here. There's a spot in Google Drive, the LTI version. There is a spot to put a due date, but that due date does not transfer back across. So you're going to fill that out, and then you're going to select submission type as external tool. And then you're going to click on Find, and you're going to notice that there's only one Google choice here. So we're going to do Google Assignments. And this should come up. It's Create and Share Coursework. So you're going to make sure this is your account and hit Continue. One of the nice features that in these Google Assignments is they do now have their own plagiarism checker. It analyzes Google Docs for missing citations and possible plagiarism, and you can just toggle that on or off depending on if you want to use that. Then it asks you if you want to make a copy of an attached file for each of your students to edit and submit. So if you click that, you click Attach. Whether it's a blank document that you want your students to write on or something else, a worksheet, whatever it is you want your students to work on, you're going to click on that document in your Drive and hit Add. You'll see it says each student will get a copy. Then you're going to put the total points. There is a due date in here again, and you can put that due date in there. Make sure that does match with the date you put in your assignment. And then if you want to add a rubric, you can do that. And once you're done with that, you're going to hit Create, and it's going to go through a process. And then you're going to come back and you're going to hit Select, and you'll notice the Google information is there. Once you're finished with that, you're going to hit Save and Publish, or Save if you're going to continue to work on that. And that is how you create a Google assignment.